Alright guys, we're going to try to get this 9" in the Crusty. Alright guys, I got my brake parts for the 9". Here's the hardware kit. Got all the springs and everything. The e-brake pads and the regular brake pads. I didn't get new calipers, so I just didn't have the money. So we're just going to run with the old ones for now. Hopefully they work. But I'm going to try to put these pads and hardware kit all together so we can go ahead and bolt these axles in, and then it'll be completely done. Alright, there we go. Now we can get it back on there. Alright, I got this side done too. Got both of them done. It was a little bit a pain in the butt to get that plate on in there. They give you this little access hole, and that's how you get to your bolts right there. And there's 4 of them in there. You got to spin this around and get your socket in there and tighten it down. But I finally got it on there. Alright, I got the new rotors on there. I got the new brake pads and the calipers there. Got them on both sides. So that's all done. It's pretty much complete. I do got to get some gear oil and put in it. And I got to hook up the brake lines. And they come with these little tabs that this end goes into, like that, and then it's got a little clip that holds it. But I gotta weld these to this housing somewhere, and I think I'm gonna wait until I get it in the truck so I can see where my U-bolts are gonna sit in their final location. I mean, obviously they're gonna go right in here, but I just want to get it in there to make sure. Because once I weld it, I don't want to be cutting it off and redoing it. So I think I'm just going to wait till I get it in the truck to do that. So that's about as far as I can get with it right now, until we start taking the 10 bolt out and get this in there. Here's the brake line somebody put on here. It goes up over the top of the leaf spring. And I think what I'm going to do here is take those loose. I'll probably take the wheel cylinder off and put it back on this line and try to just bend it up out of the way on each side, because it's going to be a while before I get to the brake lines. I'm just going to swap out the rear end today, and I don't know if we're going to make it to the brake lines today, so I'm going to put them wheel cylinders back on the line so it don't leak all my fluid out and fill up the lines full of air. Alright, I'm gonna start by taking this dry shaft off. Alright, now I'm going to wait on this traffic to go by. Like they can't see I'm trying to film here. So let's just sit around and wait for traffic. Oh, that's a cool little bug here. But anyway, I'm gonna pop these wheels off and go ahead and take these wheel cylinders off. I'm going to unhook the emergency brake line. I don't know if I'm going to do it from here or just unhook all that, because I can't use none of this anyway. I'm going to have to take it all off. Yeah, I might just unhook it over there. So like I said, I can't use none of this stuff, I don't think. But anyways, I got my brake caliper on this line. Alright, I just took the e-brake cables off this bracket here. Took it off that side because I ain't gonna use them anyway, so. And I got that wheel cylinder sitting right there. So all that's left is the shocks and these bolts on them pads. We can get her good and roll it up out of here. Yay, my battery died. Alright guys, I tried to ratchet in the cheater pipe, and it's a very slow process. It's going to take all night to do that. When the sun's going down, I ain't got much time left till it gets dark, so I'm just gonna call it a night, charge my battery up in my impact. We'll come out here and zip them off in the morning. Alright, good morning everybody. We're back again, and it's done rain, everything's wet, just my luck, and it's still kind of misting a little bit. Everybody gets hit one neighbor that's always working on stuff early in the morning and waking you up. That's me. I'm that neighbor. It's always got cars took apart in the driveway, and that's me. Hello. Alright, we got it rolled up under there. Now I gotta put on my U-bolts and that thing. Those are gonna look a lot better. Alright, I got me a jack under here and I'm just gonna jack it up. Try to get them pins lined up. There's a pin in the leaf spring right there. There's a hole in the pad. You just gotta get them to match up there. And don't look like they going down in there. Alright guys, the pin is a different size than my hole. My hole is 1/2 inch and my pin is 9/16. I don't have a 9/16 drill bit to drill this out. And as you can see, this nut is halfway ate out. So I can't really take it off. I was thinking about taking it off and just trying to grind some down. But I think I'm just gonna have to get new pins. I am gonna at least put it back the way I had it and put the bolts in it so nobody steals my rear end. Alright guys, there it is. We don't have it completely in yet. I gotta get some pins for the leaf springs. And of course, bolt the dry shaft up. We got brakes to work on and a bunch of other stuff. But once again, I'm out of daylight, out of time. So that's all I got done. Not very much. But it's gonna look good, I think. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.